Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on disassembling the MSI MS16P5 laptop for a case replacement. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a magnetic tray for screws, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Step 1. Power down and prepare. Begin by shutting down your laptop completely. Remove the power adapter and any connected peripherals. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power left in the system before proceeding. Step 2. Remove the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate and unscrew the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep these screws in your magnetic tray to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Step 3. Disconnect the battery. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery connector. Carefully disconnect the battery from the motherboard to prevent any power-related issues during the disassembly process. If you're unsure about performing this step yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice tailored to your needs. Step 4. Remove internal components. Next, you will need to remove any internal components that obstruct access to the casing. This includes the RAM modules and the SSD. Unscrew these components using your Phillips screwdriver and set them aside in your magnetic tray. Step 5. Clean the interior. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal parts. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and motherboard. This will help maintain optimal performance once you reassemble the laptop. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, don't forget we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Step 6. Unscrew the chassis. Now, focus on the screws that secure the chassis together. There will be several screws holding the sides and bottom of the case. Carefully unscrew each one and keep them organized. This is where a magnetic tray is especially helpful. Step 7. Detach the case. With all screws removed, gently pull apart the case from the chassis. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any missed screws. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. Remember, if you prefer to have someone assist you with the disassembly, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in pricing. Step 8. Install the new case. Once the old case is removed, you can proceed to install the new case. Align it properly and press down gently until it snaps into place. Make sure it fits snugly without any gaps. Step 9. Reassemble the laptop. Now, reverse the disassembly process. Start by reattaching the chassis screws and reconnecting the battery. Slot the RAM and SSD back into their respective places, then finally replace the back panel. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Step 10. Final checks. Before powering on the laptop, make one last check to ensure all screws are tightened and components are securely in place. Power on the device to ensure it boots up correctly. By following these steps, you should successfully replace the case of your MSI MS16P5. If you encounter any issues or don't have the tools, remember we offer no calls, no travel opti. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.